Jump into new quilting and crafting projects with the Go Kangaroo die by Janine Lecour. This fun applique die is sure to put a bounce in your step with its 12 distinctive shapes that would take so long to cut by hand. As complex as your finished kangaroos will look, this die is ever so easy to use with any Go cutter. Simply cover the shapes with pre-fused fabrics, cover with a mat, and cut. Groups of kangaroos are known as a mob, a troop, or a court. Whichever term you prefer, you'll grow a good-sized group in almost no time at all. These adorable jumpers are the perfect way to infuse a little whimsy into projects like pillows, quilts, and wall hangings, even a special door curtain that's sure to be a fun addition to a little one's room. No matter how you decide to use your mob of kangaroos, they are certain to add a touch of fun to any project and a smile to the face of anyone who sees it. At AccuQuilt, we want you to cut time so you can have fun with all your quilting and crafting projects.